Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Trello app into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Trello, you just simply have to open your Play Store application into your device. Then, after opening the Play Store, you will get to see this search bar into the top. Just simply tap into that search bar, and after tapping into that search bar, just simply search for Trello into there. Now, after searching Trello, this Trello Manage Team Projects application will appear with the blue and white logo. Open that application and tap into this install button in order to install the application. And after tapping into there, depending on your internet connection speed, your Trello Manage Team Projects application will successfully be downloaded into your mobile phone. This way, you can very easily download Trello from Play Store into your Android mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.